Bitcoin might rise 10.6% by February 6 per GovCapital Collector forecast. But first, let's take a quick look at what's happening right now. Bitcoin has moved 8.8% lower since yesterday and is now around $69,455.50. Let's pull up the analysts' expectations. The forecast by Traders Union suggests $67,435.16 tomorrow, a value about 2.9% lower than now. Bitcoin may approach $70,333 per coin price forecast, a rise of approximately 1.2%. CoinCodex points out the chance of reaching $72,273.99, a projected gain of 4%. Another outlook from GovCapital Collector indicates Bitcoin might push higher towards $76,817.95, about 10.6% higher. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions believes the price could reach $78,104.12 by tomorrow. That's 12.4% up. This is the top return outlook so far. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decline of 2.9% to a gain of 12.4%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, Crypto Predictions has the top return with 12.4% escalation in value by tomorrow. Based on these results, you could generate between $12 and $124 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, coin price forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct at 79.6%. Using the input of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined a consensus view. Consensus expectations put Bitcoin near $72,992.85, indicating mild upward momentum. Let's look at the details. The consensus forecast shows a possible price increase of 5.1% by tomorrow. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $51 in return. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 35.7%. Next in line, let's see what analysts project for the market direction in the coming 3 days. Traders Union expects the chart to tilt downward. A positive outlook is shared by coin price forecast pointing to more gains. Likewise, CoinCodex expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. Meanwhile, GovCapital Collector predicts steady gains ahead. For the next few days, Crypto Predictions expects Bitcoin to strengthen. The consensus picture shows Bitcoin with clear upward momentum. From this overview, the majority stance signals Bitcoin could climb in the short term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the session closed at $73,158.60. The outcome showed that just a minority got the market's direction correct. The smallest error belonged to the forecast of GovCapital Collector. Time to sort through the results more carefully. Just one forecast turned out to be inside the trading span. For ROI, part of the group finished positive, led by digital coin price. Here's the daily summary: how every forecast actually worked out. In the dataset, Crypto Predictions achieved $14,802.77 accuracy, 1.1% forecast probability, and -6.4% ROI. See which forecasts matched the market movement most precisely. And now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns for Bitcoin and a small group of other coins. The reviewed cryptocurrency stays ahead of all others with forecasted returns of 5.1%. This section includes Bitcoin and 4 random cryptocurrencies, while a far broader selection will be accessible on my site soon. Subscribe now so you're the first to see how forecasts shift tomorrow. Take care, everyone.